Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a man named Ahmed. Ahmed was kind and hardworking, but he was afraid of almost everything. He was afraid of failure, afraid of making mistakes, and afraid of what people would say about him. Whenever a new opportunity came, Ahmed would step back. Maybe I am not good enough, he would tell himself. One day, a merchant came to the village and announced that he needed someone to help him start a new business in the nearby town. The job offered a good salary and a chance to learn valuable skills. Many villagers encouraged Ahmed to apply because he was honest and intelligent. But fear filled his mind. What if I fail? He thought. For several days, Ahmed could not decide. Finally, his elderly mother gave him some advice. "My son," she said, "courage does not mean having no fear. Courage means moving forward even when you are afraid." Those words stayed in Ahmed's heart. The next morning, although his hands trembled and his heart raced, Ahmed applied for the job. To his surprise, the merchant accepted him. The first few weeks were difficult. Ahmed made mistakes and faced challenges. Many times he wanted to quit, but each time fear appeared. He remembered his mother's words and kept going. Slowly, he learned new skills. His confidence grew. The merchant noticed his dedication and promoted him to a higher position. Years later, Ahmed became a successful businessman. People admired him for his achievements and often asked how he became so successful. Ahmed would smile and say, "I was not successful because I was fearless. I was successful because I learned not to let fear stop me." As Ahmed's business grew, his reputation spread across many towns. People knew him as a wise and successful businessman. However, deep inside, Ahmed still faced fears from time to time. One year, a terrible drought struck the region. Crops failed, markets became quiet, and many businesses suffered heavy losses. Ahmed's company was affected too. His workers came to him with worried faces. "Sir, what will happen to us?" they asked. For a moment, Ahmed felt the old fear returning. He worried that everything he had built might collapse. That night, he sat alone in his office, thinking about the difficult situation. Then he remembered how far he had come. Years ago, fear had almost stopped him from taking his first opportunity. "If I could face my fears then," he said to himself, "I can face them now." The next day, Ahmed gathered all his employees. We are facing hard times, he said, but we will not give up. Together, we will find a solution. Instead of closing his business, Ahmed worked harder than ever. He found new ways to serve customers, reduced unnecessary expenses, and helped his workers learn new skills. Months passed, and slowly the economy began to recover because Ahmed had remained calm and determined. His business survived while many others failed. His employees were grateful for his leadership and loyalty. They worked with even greater dedication, helping the company grow stronger than before. One evening, Ahmed visited his elderly mother. She smiled proudly as she watched him. "You have become a great man," she said. Ahmed shook his head. "No, mother. I am still the same fearful man. The difference is that I no longer let fear make my decisions." His mother smiled and replied, "Then that is what truly makes you great." Years passed, and Ahmed's business became one of the most respected in the region. He owned several shops, employed hundreds of workers, and helped many families earn a living. One day, a young man named Bilal came to meet him. "Sir," Bilal said nervously, "everyone says you are successful. I want to start my own business, but I am afraid. What if I lose everything?" Ahmed smiled because he saw himself in the young man. "Come with me," Ahmed said. He took Bilal to an old wooden box stored in his office. Inside were his first business records, old notes, and letters. "Do you know what these are?" Ahmed asked. Bilal shook his head. "These are reminders of my mistakes," Ahmed replied. "I made many errors when I started. Some decisions cost me money. Some plans failed completely." Bilal looked surprised. "But everyone says you always succeed." Ahmed laughed. "No one always succeeds. The difference is that successful people learn from failure instead of running away from it."